Saya dosen pembimbing dari mahasiswa S1 atas nama Tazkia Haura Rendu Sara. Jadi berikut adalah video pemaparan skripsi dari yang bersangkutan yang berjudul Pengaruh Destination Image terhadap Travel Motivation, Perceived Value, dan Electronic Word of Mouth untuk melakukan revisit intention pada Art Museum Sudut Cerita Kota Bandung.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Previously, I introduced my name, Tazkia Haura Rindusara, from Bachelor of Management 2019. On this occasion, I will present my proposal seminar with the title The Effect of Destination Image on Travel Motivation, Perceived Value, and Electronic Word of Mouth to make revisit intention at the Art Museum Sudut Cerita, Bandung City. The tourism industry is one of the most important economic sector in Indonesia. Indonesia also has natural wealth and wide variety of culture. This is a very important component in tourism in Indonesia, so that foreign tourists are interested in visiting Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelago country. Below are the 5 provinces that have the highest number of islands in Indonesia, 2021. According to data from the Central Agency, the first province is West Papua Province, which has total 4,514 islands. One of the island areas in West Papua, which is famous for its natural beauty and is one of the main attractions, is Raja Ampat. Riau Island Province has total 2,025 islands. Central Sulawesi Province ranks third with the most island with a total 1,572 islands. And in third and fourth place are Maluku Province with a total 1,337 islands. And finally, North Maluku Province with a total 837 islands. The COVID pandemic has hurt Indonesia economic sector, especially the tourism sector. Indonesia tourist destinations are numerous and diverse, which is why foreign tourists come to Indonesia. With the COVID-19 pandemic, the number of foreign tourist visits has decreased according to tourism data in Indonesia. The number of foreign tourists in 2016 was 11,525,963 million. Below is data on the number of foreign tourists visit to Indonesia from 2011 to 2021. From 2070 to 2090, the number of foreign tourists who came to Indonesia experienced a significant increase. But after outbreak of the coronavirus, foreign tourists experienced a decline from 2020 to 2021, and the country foreign exchange also decreased due to decline in the number of foreign tourists. Indonesia tourism is able to contribute foreign exchange of around 10 billion US dollar in 2021 and is the fourth after petroleum, coal, and palm oil. Below is a graph of foreign exchange earning from Indonesia tourism sector in 2013 to 2023. Foreign exchange experienced ups and downs in 2013 to 2023. From 2020 to 2023, the country foreign exchange decreased due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economic target foreign exchange earning 1.7 billion in 2022, and in 2023, the Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economic target foreign exchange economy earning from the tourism sector between 2.7 until 5.95 billion. The target can be achieved if the number of domestic and foreign tourists increase in 2023. There are 38 provinces in Indonesia, and of the 38 provinces have several tourist attractions of choice for tourists. Below include data on the most visited province, one of which is West Java. West Java is the third province with a total 965.19 tourism. Bandung City is one of city in West Java province that is often visited by local tourists. Bandung is the largest metropolitan city in West Java and the capital of the province. Below is an estimate of the number of tourists visit to the city of Bandung based on the Bandung City Entrance Soul from 2019 to 2021. In 2019, the number of foreign tourists visiting Bandung City was 252,842 people, and the number of domestic tourists was 80,185.2 people. However, in 2020, the number of visitors has decreased due to COVID-19. So the number of domestic tourist visitors is 30,210 and 3,240,319 foreign tourists. The city the city of Bandung many tourist destination. One that can become a tourist destination is the Studio Cerita Art Museum. The Studio Cerita Art Museum present the concept of an interesting place to visit. And in the three are photo spots that are Instagrammable and have aesthetic element. The data show number of Studio Cerita and viewpoint decreased 2020 with a total 96,000 visitors due, and the number of visitors who came in 2020 increased significantly by 156,575. In 2022, Sudut Pandang compare the visitor data between Sudut Pandang and Studio Cerita. The data is shown in the figure below. According to the data in 2022, growth and decline have up and down. For example, in January 3, there were a total of 30,662,000 visitors, but in February, there was a decrease with a total of 7,000 visitors. Research background. According to Han et al., 2019, travel motivation is a situation that arouses intrinsic motivation in tourists to achieve goals. According Han, Michael et al. 2020, travel motivation has two dimensions, namely pull factor and push factor. Pull factor are external factor, extrinsic motivation that encourage tourists to travel. The external factor of Studio Cerita based on the review track the Google platform are that this tourist destination is comfortable, has a very strategic location, and the ticket price of the tourist destination is very affordable. From the factor mentioned above, it can be concluded that will encourage tourists to visit the tourist destination again. Second, perceived value. According to Andreas and Tunjung-Sari, 2090, perceived value is associated with the quality of the destination as comparable or not to the described by tourists. Based on review, Given by tourists via the Google platform listed in the image below. From the review given by tourists above, it does not match the attribute in the Suducerita and is not comparable to script made by the reviewer. According to the review given by tourists do not get satisfaction from the art provided by Suducerita, such as graphic effect, animation, and rhythm with the quality of the destination. From the result of the review above, it can be concluded that this review can be problem for the Suducerita because the value offered by tourist attraction must be commensurate with the sacrifice meant by tourists to come to the story, to come to Suducerita. And third, electronic word of mouth. Electronic word of mouth is a statement, review, or comment made online by customer, but potential customer, actual customer, and professed customer about a product, service, brand, or company whose information is available to many people or institutions through internet media. Riyadi, 2023. According Goya, 2010, electronic word of mouth has dimension, namely valence of opinion. Valence of opinion is an opinion given by consumer or visitor, comment given by visitor in form of positive or negative comment, for example, as drawn. Valence of opinion has two indicators, namely positive opinion and negative opinion. According to research from Permadi et al. 2020, electronic word of mouth has a positive influence on revisit intention, so that if the IWAM given is positive, it can lead to a desire to revisit the tourist destination. From positive review will make visitor from positive review will make destination visitor revisit intention again, but for negative review it can make visitor not to revisit intention. And the last research background, for destination image is a belief or knowledge about destination and things that tourists can feel while traveling. Aprilianti et al. 2020. From the knowledge about the destination and what visitor feel will create a positive impression. The impression given by a visitor is a positive impression. An example of a positive impression such as the review given by tourist through the Google platform listed in the figure. The review given by Cakrawiguna about the story about the Suducerita is very positive because according to him, story corner display a great and beautiful work of art. The travel also explained that Suducerita has a beautiful installation inside and combine projection and mapping on its abstract object. Not only that, according to him, Suducerita is very unique. From the positive review given by tourists, it will build a cognitive image of the destination. Research problem formulation. First, does destination image positively and significantly affect the travel motivation of the art museum Suducerita? Second, does destination image positively and significantly affect the perceived value of the art museum Suducerita? Third, does destination image positively and significantly affect the electronic word of mouth of the art museum Suducerita? Fourth, does travel motivation positively and significantly affect revisit intention of the art museum Suducerita? Fifth, does perceived value positively and significantly affect revisit intention at the art museum Suducerita? Sixth, does electronic word of mouth positively and significantly affect revisit intention at the art museum Suducerita? 7, does destination image positively and significantly affect revisit intention at the art museum Suducerita? Research objective. First, to examine the influence between destination image on travel motivation at Art Museum Suducerita. Second, to examine the influence of destination image on perceived value at Art Museum Suducerita Bandung. Third, to examine the influence of destination image on electronic word of mouth at Art Museum Suducerita Bandung. Fourth, to examine the influence of travel motivation on revisit intention at Art Museum Studi Cerita Bandung. Fifth, to examine the effect of perceived value on revisit intention at Art Museum Studi Cerita Bandung. Sixth, to examine the effect of electronic word of mouth on revisit intention at Art Museum Studi Cerita Bandung. Seventh, to examine the effect of destination image on revisit intention at Art Museum Studi Cerita Bandung. Research benefit. First, theoretical benefits. Through this research, it can provide academic value to student, lecturer, and tourist manager at Museum Studi Cerita, and add insight related to the influence of destination image on travel motivation, perceived intention at Art Museum Studi Cerita Bandung City, and become a source of literature reference and can be used as a reference for future research. Two practical benefits. Through this research, the author hopes that tourist object will get input to manager tourist attraction and analyzing marketing strategies and better management so that they will get more tourists. Supporting theory. First, revisit intention. According to Mayasari and Artanti 2021, revisit intention is a person's intention to revisit the same tourist destination or tourist attraction in the past. The dimension of revisit intention, according to Lin 2014, revisit intention has two dimensions. For dimension, namely, first, intention to revisit, and second, intention to recommend it. Travel motivation. Han et al. Explained that in visiting or traveling, motivation must be further explored in order to see specific view, situation, interaction, and a process in creating a need, and this need will encourage someone to take an action. According to Michael et al. 2020, there are two factors that motivate tourists, and of these two factors can be measuring tool for travel motivation. Variable, these factors are first, pull factor, and second, push factor. Supporting theory, and third, perceived value. According to Gantika and Wahdiwati, 2020, perceived value as the assessment of consumer regarding the benefit of product according to the view of what has been obtained and given to customer. The dimension of the perceived value variable according to Grass and Locano, perceived value has three dimensions, namely, first, emotional value, second, social value, and third, functional value. Fourth, electronic word of mouth. According to Aditya and Waluyo 2020, EWAM is a good or bad statement made by prospective tourists, tourists who will visit, and tourists who have visited a tourist destination that can be widely accessed by all individuals via the internet. The dimension, according to Goyat et al. 2010, electronic word of mouth has three dimensions, namely, first, intensity, second, valence opinion, and third, content. And the last supporting theory, fifth, destination image, according to Liang and Su, 2021. Destination image for tourists not only provide insight or experience about image formation, but also helps tourist destination marketing organization to improve destination image in promoting loyalty behavior. The dimension of the destination image variable, according to Agapito et al. 2013 has three dimensions, namely, first, cognitive destination image, two, affective destination image, three, cognitive destination image. Research hypothesis. First hypothesis, destination image has positive and significant effect on travel motivation. D'Agostini et al. 2018 get result in their research, namely, destination image has a positive and significant effect on travel motivation. Second hypothesis, destination image has a positive and significant effect on perceived value. Gantina and Swantari 2018 state destination image has a positive and significant on perceived value. Third hypothesis, destination image has a positive and significant effect on electronic word of mouth. Andriani et al. 2019 state that destination image has a positive and significant effect on electronic word of mouth. Fourth hypothesis, travel motivation has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. Mayasari and Artanti 2021 state that travel motivation has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. And fifth hypothesis, perceived value has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. Fadiriana and Chan 2020 in their research found that perceived value has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. Hypothesis 6. Electronic word of mouth has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. Apsarina and Carmela Sari 2021 found in their research that electronic word of mouth has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. And last hypothesis, destination image has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. Chris Mardani and Arif 2022 state that destination image has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. This is a theoretical framework. Research method. Time and place of research. The research time was conducted in June 2023 until completion. Place of research at the Art Museum Studi Cerita. The collection in this study, use survey technique by distributing questionnaire to respondent to obtain clearer information. Population. The population in this research is tourist visitor who visit the Art Museum Studi Cerita Bandung City. Sample, the sample amount 2,224. Respondent with criteria, traveler age traveler age 70 until 60 years, tourists who have visited at least once the Art Museum Studi Cerita, tourist destination, domicile around Jabodetabek. Data analysis technique, validity tax, EVA, exploratory factor analysis, CFA, confirmatory factor analysis. Reliability test, Cronbach alpha is declared reliable if less than 0.6 bad, 0.7 to 0.8 acceptable, more than 0.8 good. Hypothesis test using the structural equation modeling technique based on the t-test, the result if the relationship between variable has a value more than 1.96, then the relationship is significant. This is SAM model fit index. That's all, and thank you more. Or last, please apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.